Hello everyone, I am Shubham and in this video we are going to talk about how to pen test in secure Firebase. First we will see that what is a Firebase and its misconfiguration, and at the end we are going to perform some real-time demonstration. What is Firebase? Firebase is a real-time database platform acquired by Google for creating web application and mobile application too. So any developer can use it with free of cost. So we are not going to dig deep into it, that how we are going to use Firebase and all. Okay, we are directly going to see that what kind of mesh configuration done by the user to make it vulnerable with read and write access permission. Security mesh configuration in Firebase is really simple. While setting up permission for database, after creation, user may possible to set a public permission. That means database can accessible for everyone, include read and write permission. You can see that the rules of read and write for real-time database in the image given below. Okay, so now we are going to look that where and how we are going to find out the Firebase database URL. Okay, so as we know that Firebase is an mostly used for web application, or you can say Android application. So I am going to decompile an APK app. Okay, and for that I am going to use APK tool. So command for that is APK tool -d for decompilation, and I'm using an APK over here. Okay, so it will take a while. After that I'm going to dig into the strings file. So for that, here you can see that it make a directory of that particular APK file name. Okay, so I'm simply going to cat to the res values and strings.xml, and also I'm going to grab it with the Firebase IO. Okay, so you can see over here we got a Firebase database URL, and here is our URL. So I'm going to copy it and I'm going to paste it, and after that I'm going to put .json. So you can see over here it's secure, there is no read and write access permission for us, so it says that permission denied. Okay, so now you can see over here that I already created insecure Firebase with we have public read and write access. So if anyone try to access that particular URL with /.json, so we are able to get all the data present over there, or sometime we get null response over there. That means no data present at that particular database. So this is vulnerable to what? Read access. So after that we are also checking for the write access. So for that I'm going to use a Python file called as what? Insecure Firebase exploit. Okay, so first I am going to simply git clone it, okay, into my Kali machine. Okay, so say git clone and URL, so it will take a few minutes. Okay, after that I'm going to do cd and I do ls. So you can see over there Python script, okay, which is firebase exploit.py. So we are going to run it by using Python firebase exploit.py, and it asks us that Firebase DB name, which is in my case it's this one. Okay, so I'm going to copy it and I'm going to paste it over here. Okay, hit enter. So I'm giving a file name which is a random. We can give any file name, like I'm giving test. Enter name, so I'm giving pentest, and any random email address. Website name, and hit enter. So you can see over here we got a response successfully exploited, and we also get a URL where is our file has been located. Okay, so we can simply check for our file. So I'm simply going to show you that with test.json. So here you can see that we are successfully able to write our own data into the database. Okay, so in this way we simply learn that how to pen test insecure Firebase database. So if you enjoy the video, do like, comment, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you, and see you in the next video.